Binabawi na namin ang video.
But they're like my brothers too. They're also like my family.
Jared, sabi mo, yun yung brothers mo sa London, di ba?
And it's so crazy. This video just sums up everything that's happened. And I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful to God. I'm so thankful to all of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, siyempre, palakpakan natin lahat na nag-effort kunin yung mga kaibigan ni Jared, pagsama-samahin yung mga brothers ni Jared, di ba? Jared, hindi mo man nakasama yung mga brothers mo doon, di ba? Look at you now, saan ka ba nanggaling? Sa Pinoy Big Brother.
I left a family at home, but I gained a family here.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
Aww. Grabe mo.
Tama na, uwi na, uwi na!
Ayan, so...
Okay, after this, guys, we're gonna eat.
Ano sila naiyak? Si Jackie naman, nagkakalong nilang yan. Sige.
I just don't know what else to say, but thank you guys. And I hope you guys stay and carry on standing by me and make new memories with me and experience everything that I experienced with me and celebrate every gain with me and even celebrate a loss with me. I'm so excited to carry on with my journey and my career, and I feel so much better and I feel like a weight is off my shoulders because I know you guys are there. So, yes, thank you.
So ito ay unang taon mo pa lang, Jared. Grabe na yung nagmamahal sa'yo. Susupport tayo, di ba, si Jared for the next coming years? Yes, syempre. At dahil susupport tayo, kakain na tayo. Ayan, so Jared, sige.
I love you all. Thank you so much.
Ayan, so again, salamat po sa tatay ni Jared. Salamat po sa tatay ka po talaga ni Jared. Parang kapatid ka lang. Ay, ang gawin driver naman ni Sir. Ayan.